This is the tutorial on how to delete products. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the Administration tab. Next, click Branch Management. Click Branch. At the submenu on the left, select Products. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the desired product. Click Delete. A prompt box will appear, choose Delete. The products are now deleted. Now, if we try to search for the product on the list, it will no longer be shown. Next, let's see how the deleted product appears in the order that was added earlier. Click on the Billing tab. Choose Orders. Click on the order ID. We can see that the deleted product appears slightly faded, with a bracket indicating it has been deleted. Deleted products can no longer be added to orders and are no longer listed. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.